Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 9th standard. Today I will discuss about the atmosphere. Atmosphere is the gaseous envelope that completely surrounds the earth. It is an integral part of the earth like hydrosphere and lithosphere. It is a relatively thin layer of the earth held by the gravitational pull of the earth. Atmosphere contains a number of gases, dust particles and vapor. It extends about 16,000 kilometers of the earth's surface, and but 99% of the total mass is found in 100 kilometers from the surface. Now next we will come the importance of the atmosphere. The atmosphere makes the earth a unique planet in the solar system. It supplies oxygen to support life, and in the absence of oxygen we cannot live. The presence of carbon dioxide supports plant life on the earth. The atmosphere filters a great deal of harmful ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun, and so this would have been the possible on the earth's surface. Then we can say that the atmosphere helps to maintain the temperature in the earth's atmosphere, in the earth crust, and earth does not experience extreme temperature due to the atmosphere. Atmosphere protects the earth from millions of meteors and meteorites which fall from the atmosphere. The temperature difference in the earth atmosphere generates that the circulation, so we have the winds, rains, etc. everything for this atmosphere only. Water cycle, heat cycle, everything we have found in this atmosphere. Atmosphere is colorless, tasteless, odorless. It is mobile, elastic and both compressible and expansible. We do not feel the presence of atmosphere, but the horizontal movement of the wind also we are not feeling whenever the atmosphere is proper. That the air pressure is proper we have seen, but we do not feel unless there is any horizontal movement, then only we will feel, otherwise we are not feel the atmosphere. This one I want to say. The atmosphere is not as dense as water or land, but it has weight, so it exerts pressure. Next we will see the composition of the atmosphere. Atmosphere is a mixture of several gases, water vapor, dust particles, nitrogen, oxygen are the two chief gases are found here, and that nitrogen forming 78% in the volume of the air. Oxygen 21%, the volume pure dry air. Other gases are found that 93%, and the proportion of the gases is fairly constant in the lower layer of the atmosphere, so these are called the fixed components of the atmosphere. Other than this, there are also variable components, just like we can say that is water vapor, dust particles, smoke, salt, pollen gases, etc. also. And water vapor content is the highest, and it forms 0.2% of the volume, but it plays a significant role in the atmosphere when it is added in the atmosphere by the process of evaporation. Then smoke particles are mostly found in the industrial regions where the fossil fuels like coal, petroleum and are also burnt and the source of the energy. Dust particles are found in abundance in the desert regions. Next, see that importance of various components of the atmosphere. Oxygen, we know oxygen is very essential for the plant and animal life. It supports combustion, helps in burning, breathing, decomposition of organic matter. Without this oxygen, we cannot live. After that, we are coming to the nitrogen. Nitrogen is the bulk of atmosphere is made up of nitrogen, and after that, which dilutes oxygen and slows down the process of oxidation. Then nitrogen combines with other elements to form the compounds, different compounds. Thus, it is essential constituent of that as a compound. And organism, it is also essential components of the organisms and necessary for the growth of the plant life by nitrogen fixation, we know that. Then that is carbon dioxide. Next is coming carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is utilized by plant during the process of photosynthesis and production of organic matter. It is heavy gas found in the lower layer of the atmosphere. Then we can say it absorbs steady radiation and keeps the lower layer of the atmosphere warm at night. After that, it is coming water vapor. Water vapor plays a significant role in the atmosphere, and it is the source of condensation, clouds, and all forms of precipitation. It is added to the atmosphere by the process of evaporation of water vapor from the ocean, seas, lakes, means all the water bodies. Like carbon dioxide, water vapor is capable for absorbing the absorbing the radiation by the earth and keeps the lower layer of the atmosphere warm also at night. After that, we can say that that is the particulate matter, that is solid particles. The dust, smoke, salt, grain, pollen grains, etc. are the scattered solar radiation causing red or orange rains in the sky during the sunrise or sunset, and they serve as the condensation nuclei, and these molecules, this moisture present in the atmosphere, get condensed around them. Dust particles are so fine that they can float in the air and play an important role in the weather phenomena, and they absorb the terrestrial radiation and keep the lower layer of the atmosphere warm at night. So this chapter is very big. I am finishing up to here. I will slowly describe my next video, the structure of the atmosphere and so on. Hope that it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone.